Welcome to Constangy Clips, the series with tips on staying ahead of important legal challenges in the workplace and cyberspace. My name is Cody Saal, and today I'm going to talk about employee training. Welcome back to class. It's time to sharpen our pencils and hit the books with some essential employee and management training topics. I'll be talking about three key areas where employers and their employees need to stay up to date and compliant: harassment, diversity and inclusion, and cybersecurity. All right, let's get started with the first subject: workplace harassment. Preventing workplace harassment isn't just about fostering a positive environment. It's a legal imperative. Ignoring harassment exposes companies to costly litigation, damages their reputation, and harms their employees. Most employers offer some sort of training on harassment, but they don't always do it as frequently as they should. Memories fade with time, and you may have new employees who weren't even there at the last time that the training was conducted. Harassment training should be conducted at least once a year and include separate trainings for management and non-management employees. If your harassment training leaves something to be desired, now is a good time to fix that. All right, let's go to our next subject: diversity and inclusion. Federal laws prohibit discrimination based on race, sex, religion, age, disability, and other protected characteristics. A diverse and inclusive workplace fosters innovation, it boosts employee morale, and it attracts top talent. Educating employees about bias, different cultures, and helping them understand where their coworkers are coming from will help in that regard. Finally, let's tackle cybersecurity. Conducting regular cybersecurity training and testing your incident response plan through simulated incidents, called tabletop exercises, will help you prevent data breaches and empower employees to do what they can to protect your systems and your sensitive data. Data breaches can be financially devastating and can also result in fines and lawsuits. Employees should be trained on how to identify phishing scams, how to use and build strong passwords, and report any activity that seems suspicious. And cybersecurity training should be updated on a regular basis because we can guarantee that the bad actors, they're staying up to date. Conducting regular training in all three of these areas will help your organization stay in compliance with the law and create a better workplace. If you need help putting together a training program that fits your needs, consult with your employment or cyber counsel. All right, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow Constangy on LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and YouTube for important updates and more tips on minimizing risk as labor and employment laws and the cybersecurity world continue to evolve.